$60, and I'm back with a new video. I know it's been a while since you've seen me, but I definitely have some videos in store for you. So if you like this look, please keep on watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. So we're gonna start off with my hair. I know it's been a while, y'all haven't seen me, but I'm back and I'm ready. Videos are going to be crunk, okay? So today I'm gonna do a hair and makeup video. I am on the way to church and red for the holidays, my red blouse. I won't show you my outfit, sorry. So I did a twist out and I'm just gonna show you what that looks like once I get this out my hair. So it's a simple flat twist out, and I put perm rods on the ends to give it a spiral, you know, my ends a spiral look or whatever. So if you want a tutorial on how I did it, please comment below. Yeah, so let's get started. This is how I take it out. You untwist. And that's how you do. And remember, the bigger the flat twist, the more voluptuous the curls are. So in the back, I did mostly small flat twists, but I think I really like the big ones, because if you can see how these curls turned out in comparison to these curls, which are tighter, it created more frizz because you had to pull more apart. I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah, this I will go with this. So that's all the curls taken out. I still have to style it, of course. But before I do that, I'm going to do my makeup. So I'm going just to twist this back like this. Give me a barbie pin. And just secure that out my face. So let's move on to the makeup. You gotta blend, sis. So this is a clean brush. It's no product on this brush, and I'm just taking it to blend out the edges so it's not such a harsh line. So what I'm going to do now is it's time to cut that crease. So what I'm going to use is my Maybelline Age Rewind in the shade medium. Just gonna squeeze some of that out. Now I have to get up close and personal, and my battery's about to die. So I'm gonna finish this eye, put my phone on the put my camera on the charger. I'm gonna take this black shade right here, and I'm going to put that in my outer corner. So these are the eyes. Now let's get this hair right. Okay, so okay, so to lay my edges down, I use the Eco Styler gel. Looks like this. And of course a toothbrush. And we just gonna slick them edges back, hunty.